Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I hope it's the first time of watching this video. If you're a new viewer and you subscribe to my channel, please thank you for supporting. Thank you so much for supporting this my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your PC did not start correctly on Windows 10 and the Windows 11. Some of if you have faced an error issue with your PC after showing a blue screen of death, a blue screen of death. So the reason why your PC did not start correctly because there are some various reasons on it. It can be also the trigger this error, such as a recent hardware upgrade, a new and updated graphics driver, or whether it's the system file corruption that comes from your PC, and it is the first time you saw this error. So all you have to do is to try to restart your PC or off your PC and see if the errors appears again. And that's it. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So you press the power button to on the laptop. So as it shows here, it says a preparing automatic repair. And it's diagnosing your PC. Yeah, you have to wait for it. So if it didn't work, I recommend you to use your USB bootable drive that downloads and install a new version of Windows operation system, Windows 10 and Windows 11, and it also repairs your computers. So as it shows here, it says the PC did not your PC did not start correctly. So all I have to do is to use the USB bootable drive and connect it to your laptop. So let's do it. So this is the USB bootable drive. So you connect to your laptop, and then the audio you have to do is to click on restart, and then you have to press the ESC button twice or several times. So on the menu boot option, you press on the key, numerical key F9 for boot device option. So you press on it, and then here on the boot options, you select the USB hard drive one, that's USB disk 2.0. Then you press enter, the enter button. So here is the boot option. So you press on enter. So here in the Windows Boot Manager, you select the new version. You select the new or old version of Windows that you want to install or repair. Then it's either it is Windows 8.1 or Windows 10 setup. It are built in 1809. You will press on enter. Then it will start loading files. and as you can see here, the system works perfectly, and that's how you can fix your PC did not start correctly on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if the video was helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates, and turn on the post notification to get new notification whenever I release another video. And if you have any questions, you comment on the comment section box of my video, and if you want to say something, you message me on my Facebook page. It's Facebook page. I'll give you the page, my page link, and also don't forget to use a USB bootable drive, because without it you cannot be able to repair your PC, because it's compulsory. So don't forget to subscribe, please, and also comment where you watch it from with your flag, and get a heart from me. And see you on heart from me, and also on next week, Monday I will not be able to stay active, because I have some exams that I will upload on. Have some exams like post-treatment that I will that will start on the 4th of October. So when I'm done with posting, I will be able to continue to upload more tutorial videos. So stay tuned.